Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and this Sudoku will be a number 145 4. Yes. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is equal to 12, plus 5 is 17, 18, plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23, 23 plus 4 is 27. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this one is a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sevens. So let me start with the 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7s will be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7s will be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then I cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. How about the number? The number. Two in this row, 2 in a row, 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2, 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark them for you. It's a pair in this column. 2 and 5. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. One number left in this column for the number 9. 1, 3, and the 8 is missing. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and the 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Alright. How about we need a 6 in this column. One of these three boxes could be a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. One of these 2 boxes is a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column, the 9 and the 8. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers now. 3 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, and the 9 is missing. In this big square, 9 is one of the missing numbers. We have a 9 here, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 3. Let me mark them. 5 and the 3. That means these 2 boxes in this column are the numbers 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 5. 2 boxes left in the first row, 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 5 goes in there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left. Oh, no. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 here in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then a 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then these 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4, 5, and 7 is missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left in the third column. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 1 should be in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7 are left. 1 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this is gonna be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up? Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. I thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.